What's going on, guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you what we got after the renovation on my backyard. Stay tuned. So it is almost a month that we have done the backyard renovation. That's what I got. The lawn is looking healthy, nice, green. I'm still having some spot that we need to fill up. Probably I will need to get other seeds down next season. But now for this time I'm gonna leave like this. Also we will need to give a good haircut to the lawn today, so that's what I'm gonna do now. This of course it's overgrown, and the 1/3 rule it's not gonna be possible to follow at this time. So we are going to give the first cut to the full renovation, give a cut on this side of the lawn, and then I'm gonna apply again starter fertilizer that I will give more push to this backyard to of course establish before the more winter times arrives. So that's how it's looking like after the first cut. Bit rough, to be honest, but that's okay. I will leave time to recover. It's starting to rain. What I'm gonna do is just hurry up and spread the starter fertilizer. Guys, thank you for tuning in again. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not yet done so. As you can see, perfect time is starting to rain, so I will not even need to water in this fertilizer, but the nature will take care for me, and I'll see you to the next video. Thank you.